Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem sound, solo the track, and open the audio file editor. You want the waveform visible so you can see the pop as a spike or DC offset. Once located, make a small selection around the transient. Keep it tight to avoid harming adjacent audio. Use 1/4 to 1/2 second zoom precision and enable snap to zero crossing if needed, because editing on a clean zero crossing reduces new artifacts and preserves timing. Next, repair the waveform directly and explain why. You can redraw a tiny transient with the pencil tool for microsurgery, which fills a jagged spike, or use the marquee tool to select the pop and apply a short fade to mask it. Once done, run remove DC offset to correct baseline shifts. This prevents repeat pops. If the pop persists, use declick or transient detection and replace a few milliseconds from adjacent audio to preserve tonality and timing. Finish by committing and listening carefully. Bounce or freeze the track and toggle edits on and off so you can compare the corrected section with the original. Make sure to check phase coherence with surrounding tracks, because tiny edits can cause comb filtering if phase shifts occur. If a residual pop remains, move to more advanced fixes. Use spectral repair tools or replace the tiny segment with matched audio from a neighboring phrase. If nothing works, undo and try a smaller selection or alternate repair method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.